Jamaica is special because it's home.
Jamaica is one of the greatest places on earth.
There's no place like Jamaica.
Coming in
My JamHearts family, how you do? Oh, fantastic. I'm at the 10th Bianniel Jamaica Diaspora Conference. Yes, I hope I get it right. The 10th Biannial Jamaica Diaspora Conference happening here in Montego Bay, Jamaica, and it has been amazing. I'm meeting people from all over the world, literally all over the world, who have an interest in Jamaica, who want wish Jamaica well, who want to do something for Jamaica, you know, who have Jamaica at heart. In this special feature, I am actually interviewing a few of them, sharing with you their stories, what Jamaica means to them, how are they planning, hoping to impact Jamaica, what is their favorite food, what is their favorite, whatever it is. I'm talking to them and I'm going to share that with you right now. If you're brand new here though, I'm going to ask you to join us, join me on my journey. I share all things Jamaica. I don't want to miss any of that, so hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification, and that way you stay updated on my latest videos. Let's go and talk to Jamaicans at heart. Hello, how are you? What's your name?
My name is Dr. Delia Blake.
Oh, fantastic. And you're from?
I'm from Florida.
But you obviously have Jamaican roots.
Yes, of course. I'm from Jamaica. I am Jamaican.
Why are you here today?
I am here because of the Diaspora Conference.
What do you...
I'm so excited to be here. I'm also a project leader for the Diaspora Day of Service.
Oh, wonderful. What are you hoping to achieve though?
I am hoping to learn more how to be more engaged in the diaspora. How can I contribute more and do more? I already do quite a bit for Jamaica. I love Jamaica. It's home for me. I like home to continue to prosper and continue to grow economically and continue to develop. And I like to be a part of it. I'm in the healthcare industry. I like to contribute to the health and the growth of Jamaica and transform the health of Jamaica and make it a healthier nation.
Fantastic. What makes Jamaica special?
Oh, it's home.
It's home.
Nothing beats home.
And
home is where the heart is. And this is where my heart is.
And finally, what is your favorite Jamaican herb? Herb bush.
Herb bush? Dandelion. My grandmother loved dandelion tea. Ask me what my favorite dish is, and then I'll tell you.
Go ahead.
Ackee and saltfish. Nothing beats ackee and saltfish in the
All
morning
right.
for breakfast.
I love it, Doc.
So make sure you have some ackee and saltfish
Love it.
morning.
Love it, Doc. Thank you. All the best.
Okay, thank you. You too.
All right, wonderful.
Walk good.
Yeah, walk good. All right, guys, ran into another proud member from the diaspora. And your name, sir?
My name is Kevin Junior.
And which organization do you represent?
Well, I'm the Citizen Security Rep for the Global Jamaica Diaspora Council.
Fantastic. And why are you here?
Well, I'm here to share my experience, my expertise, and also to link the law enforcement or security subject matter experts from the diaspora to support the government priority with regards to security.
Fantastic. Oh, by the way, guys, I actually have a little bit of background on this man as well. I watched him. He was one of the presenters yesterday as well. Very well. You were in law enforcement. You were still in law enforcement in Canada and came back to give back to Jamaica.
Yes.
How would you say, if any at all, your upbringing influenced your success, your Jamaican influence, your Jamaican, heritage?
My Jamaican heritage is very influential in the person I am today. The values that was developed when I was a child, those values have carried me through my professional career, so that I was respectful. It's a basic things that's required, and thank God I am who I am today.
Awesome. What makes Jamaica special?
Jamaica is special because it's home.
Yeah.
Right. When you can have a house, you can have a home.
Yeah.
And when you're at home, you put your feet up, you relax, you go to the fridge, you take whatever you want.
Yeah.
In Jamaica, I feel comfortable. I can do whatever I want.
Yeah.
And make sure that I also give back to the community.
Fantastic. Thank you, man. And thank you for all you do for
Thank
Jamaica
you very
Land
much.
We Love.
All right. God bless.
All right, guys. And guess what? I ran into one of the most respected, esteemed Jamaican. Look at the face.
All right, so boy, after that introduction.
No introduction. Mr. Donal Anderson. How are you, sir?
I'm very well, thank you, sir. Very well.
Great seeing you, man. And at the Diaspora Conference. Why are you here?
Well, you know, my maxim that I live by that information is absolutely critical.
Yeah.
And therefore, I decided I'd come down here, meet a number of other participants, network. I run a market research company, and therefore, I said, let me look at whether there are any opportunities for, you know, linkages with people from overseas. And I'm involved with a number of different entities like ice hockey, which we played in Chicago, we played in New York, we're going to Toronto. So I figured I'd meet a couple of people who I could share the information about these events.
Fantastic. And how is it so far?
Well, so far, good.
Yeah.
I think I've met a number of very, very, very good people here.
Yeah.
And I believe that the opportunity exists for some good linkages to be formed.
Well, I should tell them that I met you in the canteen line, in the line. I overheard you talking to another gentleman who I'm not sure if you knew before, but we end up talking about cricket, which is my game.
Oh, good.
And I should tell them that you were captain of what, Melbourne?
I captain the Melbourne team. I captain my school team, Melbourne team, university team.
Wonderful.
So I played a fair amount of cricket.
Awesome.
Captain the team with Courtney Walsh and didn't bowl him.
Yeah, I should tell you as well, man, that I appreciate all you do.
Thank you.
I don't know a lot before, but I know you have been doing a phenomenal job in what you do.
Thank you
the
very
whole
much.
stuff, man.
Thank
We
you
can
very
depend
much.
on you. Right. Few people can argue with you and come out.
I know they still do, but
They still do, but
yeah,
but thank you for all you do.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure. It's been an honor to do that.
Yes, as a Jamaican, a pro-Jamaican. What makes Jamaica special, Mr. Anderson?
Well, you know, I've had the opportunity to live elsewhere. And every time the opportunity has arisen, I said, no, there's no place like Jamaica.
Yeah.
Jamaica has everything that I need.
Yeah.
We're the friendliest people in the world despite all that's happening around us.
Yes.
And there's so much potential in Jamaica that I'd love to see a lot more of the potential realized before my time comes to an end, because we're a tremendously blessed people.
I believe so.
Really are.
I believe so. And your favorite herbal tea? Favorite herb? Jamaican herbal tea?
You know, mint. I love my mint tea.
The peppermint, the little peppermint.
Yeah, absolutely. I have a couple of trees in my backyard.
All right,
And
good.
whenever I need
You're really Jamaican, man.
Yeah, man. I
There's
don't pick my mint.
There's no Jamaican home without a peppermint tree in the backyard.
Absolutely agree with you.
All right, living the life.
Living the
Thank
life.
you, Mr. Anderson.
My pleasure.
Oh, guys, run into another esteemed gentleman from the diaspora. Your name, sir?
I'm Dr. Syvan Thompson,
Awesome. And what organization do you represent?
the Global Jamaica Diaspora Council member based in Toronto, Canada.
In Toronto. And you're here, obviously, to support, to be a part of this. For what objective? What are you hoping to achieve?
Okay, so we have to achieve a number of things, right? We want to first try and determine how we in the diaspora can support initiatives in Jamaica and how we can work together to make Jamaica the place that it is and we want to live, work, and play.
How is it so far?
Also far, it's awesome, right?
Awesome.
The number of persons attending, the networking opportunities and all of that. It's really good so far.
Yeah. If there are anybody else in your neck of the woods, back in on that side, who wants to support, to play a role, how can they reach you guys?
Okay, so back in Canada, a number of persons, tons of people want to support Jamaica.
Yeah.
And they actually do support Jamaica.
Yeah.
We have a Jamaican Canadian Association, of which I'm a member. I'm an active member, past vice president. And almost everybody in Canada knows about the JCA.
And
So from time to time, we have initiatives for them to opportunity to support Jamaican initiatives.
Okay, so they know where to contact each other. You guys know where to.
Yeah, they know where to contact each other. Everybody knows about the Jamaican Canadian Association, 995 Arrow Road in Toronto. So just check out us on JCA, plus the Global Jamaica Diaspora Council Canada as a website. It's jdccanada.com.
Fantastic. What's your favorite food?
Ackee and saltfish.
Ackee and saltfish. And what is your favorite herb? Medicinal herb.
Ginger.
Ginger.
Yeah.
Jamaican ginger.
Yeah, I don't know about the other one yet.
All right, big up, Doc. Thank you, Doc.
Yeah, man.
All the best.
Everything blessed.
Yeah, man. Good.
Yeah, enough respect.
So proud of my diasporan people, guys. They are here in droves. They really showed up here in Jamaica. And here is another. Your name?
My name is Shelly Lopez, also known as Miss Dask in New York. Just wanted to say hi to all my Chicago and New York family. We're here representing at the diaspora.
Fantastic.
Yes.
You're here for the day, for the full conference.
Full conference.
What's the purpose? What's the objective?
Well, the objective was two things. Number one, to network with the diaspora here, build a bridge from Chicago to Jamaica, but then also to hear what is going on in the sector of Jamaica, whether that was economics and education, safety, of course, and of course
Security.
technology, and what we're doing for the youth, so we can tie that information back to the diasporas that are in Chicago and New York.
Fantastic,
Yes.
fantastic. What do you personally would love to see happen in Jamaica to facilitate that engagement?
Well, one thing was, of course, the networking, getting the links to real people doing real things here in the diaspora, and then being able to work with them collaboratively on maybe projects that are in the USA or in Jamaica that we can both work to, again, bridge the gap. And then also, I would love to see more of the diaspora come together as a whole. A lot of times these conferences, they trickle down to not everybody. So we want to make sure that down to the street level, we'll understand what we're trying to do and connect with the people.
What's your area? What's your expertise?
What isn't my expertise?
You sound like one of us.
I'm a Jamaican. I'm a 12 job done. No, but I'm in real estate. I'm also in entertainment publicity. And then I also am the president of MIJAC, MIJAC, for those out there. MIJAC.org. Go on the website. We are charged with building a Jamaican cultural center in America, in Chicago. We don't have one anywhere in the 50 states. So it's time we start to build one and then grow that to build in other states as well.
Fantastic.
So join the movement and come along, and this is how the diaspora will connect with each other.
Fantastic. Through that website mainly.
Correct. Yes, you can join on membership, you can donate, you can come to the meetings, the links are there to register, and this way we can spark those discussions within the diaspora, and through the networks here at this diaspora conference, we're able to now connect to the government and the people of the diaspora to that link in Chicago to be able to work together to build the culture.
What's your favorite Jamaican song?
Coming in from the cold, Bob Marley.
Oh my God!
Yes, we're coming in up. We're coming in up.
and also your favorite Jamaican T-Bush.
T-Bush have to be minty.
The mint.
Yeah, the mint.
fine leaf peppermint.
The fine leaf peppermint.
Oh,
boy,
man.
It's light and it just hits you and bust the gas same time. Nice.
Oh,
yes.
love it, love it. All the best, my friend.
Yes,
Thank you.
thank
Enjoy
you.
the rest of it. Cool.
Take
cool.
care.
Ran into two beautiful ladies, guys. They're sisters too. Look at them. They're Rastafarians. Look at the smile, embodying out of many one people. Hey! All right, and these ladies are sisters, right? You're sisters?
Yes.
And you reside in?
United States.
You reside in the US? But you're Jamaican American?
Correct. Yes.
All right. So what brings you here? Why are you here at the conference?
Networking.
Networking?
Yeah, because I want to meet more people on the ground in Jamaica and make connections for my future career.
Sorry, I didn't hear.
Make more connections for my future career, and even now as
For your business, you said?
For future career. Future career.
Future career.
Yeah.
Oh, gotcha. And why are you here?
I'm here for the Jamaica Diaspora Conference. I'm here to, I think, from my understanding what Jamaica Diaspora Conference is a platform for Jamaicans abroad as well as within Jamaica to have conversations, connect, and to find opportunities, to align on shared opportunities, to understand where the needs are, and most of all to understand like where your talents as a diaspora can be used to further develop the country, and also I'm interested in using the talents and education that I've learned how gained abroad to further develop Jamaica as well.
You want to give back?
I want to give back, yes.
Oh, fantastic, fantastic.
Yes, I give back at home, and I also want to give back to my true home as well, which is Jamaica.
Okay.
Yeah.
What does Jamaica mean to you? Because you have Jamaican parentage. You have Jamaican parentage, right? Both of you,
Yes,
sisters.
yes.
What does Jamaica mean to you?
history, culture, faith, and solidarity. Jamaica is my second home.
Yeah.
So to me, home is everything. It's community, family, people. It's everything. So it's my second home.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Awesome. And continue to enjoy the rest of it. I hope to see you guys again. You're beautiful. I love the hairstyles.
Thank you.
Oh,
This is my first time here, and I hope to come back for more.
Is your first time?
Yes.
At the conference
At
in
the
Jamaica?
conference, yeah.
It's not your first time in Jamaica though?
No.
Oh, good. Well, oh, good. I was going to chastise you. All right, great. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah.
So I thought I'd share a little bonus with you guys. We are talking about diaspora, but this is a brand new local.
Hello.
Local. And what's your name?
My name is Daniel Wilkes Mohalland.
Daniel Wilson?
Wilkes Mohalland.
And you have an associate?
Yes.
Agya Maladi, Master Teacher at Immaculate Conception High School, Kingston.
Immaculate. Oh, the Immaculate.
The Immaculate Conception High School.
Why are you here?
All right, so I am here with the Jamaica Teaching Council. I work with the council, and Miss Melody here is one of our Teachers of the Year, and we are here to let the diaspora know that we are helping to impact the education system. The Teaching Council itself is here to support the teachers for development for teachers. So that's our purpose here.
How is it going so far?
It has been good. We have a lot of persons from the diaspora who are expressing an interest, especially in our boys' education program. They want to support. They want to know why the Jamaican boys aren't doing as well as they could and how they can support. So we are happy that they are here. And then there are some persons who have also come to say, I was a teacher in Jamaica and I never quite did the registration. What's happening? Or I'm going to come back when I am retired.
Yeah.
And I'm happy to hear that.
Love it. I love it. I love the concept and the idea that we're bringing in people from all over the world who have a Jamaica interest, Jamaican at heart, together,
And it's encouraging to know that they are over there. They have left the island for a number of years, but they still want to come and contribute.
Absolutely. Yes, absolutely. What's your area? What do you teach?
I teach all the sciences.
All the sciences.
And the foods.
Yeah.
I teach the physics up to grade 9, all the other sciences, and integrated science for grade 7 and 8.
Fantastic. What's your favorite Jamaican food?
My favorite Jamaican food is the dumpling.
Dumpling?
The fried dumpling.
The fried dumpling. Oh, nice. What's your favorite Jamaican herb tea or bush tea?
Mint. Holland mint.
Which one is that?
That's the
fine
mint. Yes. No, it's the one with the broader leaf.
The broader leaf?
Yes.
Okay.
And mint tea generally is my favorite. Peppermint, colored mint, black mint.
All kind of mint. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of it.
Thank you.
All right, guys.
Thank you very much.
Finally, guys, I ran into perhaps, I wonder if I saved the best for last. This is Dr. Rose. Everybody has been talking everybody said to me, you should talk to Dr. Rose. So here she is, Dr. Rose.
I wonder why.
Well, let's find out. Tell me, Dr. Rose, so who, obviously, you highly recommended, that means you're somebody of importance in the diaspora. So who are you? What role do you play?
So I am from South Florida, and I once became president for a diasporan organization, 2-term for the 13 Southern United States. So I usually come to Jamaica with medical missions, and I'm always serving in the diaspora and here at home. So it gives me pleasure to be here.
Wonderful. I'm interested in the medical mission you mentioned.
Yes.
What typically does that entail?
We look at the geographic areas in Jamaica, the ones that are mostly impoverished in terms of no medical assistant or sparse medical assistant, and we would target that area. So I'll take the medical mission on a yearly basis, but we slow down during the COVID period. We started after.
Got you. So you're in the US.
Yes.
I presume that you were trained there.
Yes.
To some extent.
Yes, I was.
But your home, your base, your foundation is Jamaica.
Jamaica. No, no better than yard boy.
How did your foundation, your heritage, influence your career, if any at all, or your personal development?
Well, actually, we have migrated. My husband and I, we have migrated from Jamaica, but we have never left Jamaica. because we come home very often. We feel so connected. We feel that many of the things that we are able to accomplish abroad, it was because of the great foundation that was laid here in Jamaica. And we just think that Jamaica is one of the greatest places on earth.
And when you say the foundation, you're speaking maybe to the values and those kind of things?
Values, etiquette, the goodness of our parents, what it means to have a good education, what it means to turn your hand and make fashion, and to be embedded into the culture. It helps us with our ethical performances. It helps us to appreciate and to have manners, to respect. That's how we were raised here in
Fantastic.
Jamaica.
And what are you hoping to achieve from this conference, this 10th biannual? What's your goal?
My goal is that we will be mentors for our young people, because we're getting older and we need our young people to step up. They're going to replace us. So we want to give to them today the legacy that we have received from our parents, and so we pass on the baton.
I presume you're still active in the organizations. If persons are inclined or motivated to join you on this quest or this journey, is there a way they can reach out to people like you?
Yes, I operate total healthcare and wellness, and so you can reach me at totalhsw.com.
Okay.
totalhsw.com.
Fantastic. What's your favorite Jamaican food?
Oh, curry chicken.
Curry chicken. And what's your favorite herbal tea, bush tea?
Minty.
Oh my God. Can I tell you, as we wrap up, guys, can I tell you that I asked almost at least 60% of the people, or 70% I asked, what's your favorite tea? That's what they said, mint. Nobody says Cersei.
Sir, it's too bitter, but it's good.
I know why. Why. All right. Thank you so much, Dr. Rose.
My pleasure.
And all the best on your journey as you continue to give back and impact Jamaica. All right.
Thank you so much.
And guys, we thought we were.
She would be doing it. So.
Guys, we thought we were done, but not quite. Dr. Rose recommended this man, and for those of you in the diaspora, you probably know the face. I understand that his name is synonymous with Jamaican Jerk, the Great Jamaican Jerk, correct? Festival. Mr. Eddie. All right, nice to meet you, sir.
A pleasure.
Yeah, man, good to have you in Jamaica. Again, you're here supporting the Diaspora Conference. What's your main goal this time around?
You know, I find it more interesting to do some networking and meet other people from various regions. And connect. Because I think when we connect and build on the same bandwidth, then we get stronger.
Awesome.
Yes.
Awesome. You're born in Jamaica?
Born in Jamaica, yes.
Where in Jamaica?
I grew up in Kingston, spent most of my life in Harborview before I migrated to New York, and now I'm in Florida.
How has the Jamaican heritage or experience helped to shape you as a man, or the success you have enjoyed today, do you think?
Well, first I'll put it down to my parents and grandparents who grew me and instilled certain values, and my education here, from primary school to my high school, Arden High School, and then
big up all Arden.
I was going to Arden when my friends used to tease me that Arden was a girls' school. So we didn't have a good soccer team like that. But anyway, so my education here formed the basis for a strong personality, and then traveling overseas, you realize the value of Jamaica in terms of we're proud wherever we go, and wherever we go, we fly our flag. And so once you go into the overseas in New York or Florida, wherever you go,
Canada, wherever, UK,
connect with other Jamaicans. And I was always promoting the culture, started in radio and then produced events. So it really helped shape me promoting Jamaica in a very strong way. And one of the things that we always insisted on whenever we promoted Jamaica, it would have to be of the highest standard.
Yes. What's the one thing you would want to see change or develop or get better right now in Jamaica? One thing.
I'll say this. I think opportunities for young people, there needs to be more opportunities for young people. I think we have a strong educational system and some people might disagree.
Yeah.
And because I'm not here, I can't speak so much about Jamaica because I haven't lived there in years.
Yeah.
What I do know, there are certain areas that are strong that needs to be supported, as well as pay close attention to the next generation.
Okay, awesome. What's your favorite herb bush tea?
Mint. Mint.
The peppermint, the silence peppermint. All right, big up the peppermint.
Yeah.
Thank you, it's already.
All right.
Thank you for your time and all the best. Thank you for all you do and continue to do for Jamaica. Represent it. There they are, guys. JamHearts, indeed. Jamaica loving people. Which one of them stood out for you? What did you take away from that? I'd love to hear. Put it in the comment. But I also wanted to ask you, I'm going to ask this question. What makes Jamaica special? Yes, you. What makes Jamaica special? Put it in the comments for me. And I'll see you in the next video.
Coming in.